On May 2, 2025, Federal Way Police Department responded to an active protection order violation at a private residence where a subject had forced entry against a court-issued no-contact order, destroyed property, and barricaded herself inside. This footage raises three legal questions: the basis for warrantless entry, the proportionality of taser deployment, and officer conduct during custody. Under Washington Revised Code 10.31.100 subsection 2b, officers hold statutory authority to arrest for domestic violence. Protection order violations without a warrant based on probable cause alone. The parents confirmed forced entry, active property destruction, and verbal threats on arrival. All three elements were established before a single officer crossed the threshold. The arrest was lawful from the first moment.
Lacey's still inside?
Alright, thanks. She's destroying the house inside. We can hear her banging. We just came out here because I was afraid she would take us.
Okay. So she's just throwing stuff around and breaking it?
I assume. I'm too afraid to go.
Sorry, he's friendly.
He's afraid. I was too afraid to look, to be honest. I could just hear her throwing stuff around.
Oh, gotcha. All right. And has she violated the order in the past?
No, she's been pretty good, but she was living in a sober living house, but then she got kicked out of there, and we're not sure what. The story's really sketchy from there, and I don't know what she's been up to. We got her a hotel to stay at for a while because she couldn't stay here, and then I don't know.
1132 PC order violation.
She showed up and asked if she could take a shower, but it didn't matter, and she just pushed her way through the door, and I'm too small for her.
Are you willing to provide a recorded statement?
No.
Okay. Where is she at right now?
We don't.
I can hear her. Is she in that living room right there?
Could be.
Does she know that you? Does she know that?
I kept telling her, I'm gonna call the police.
Okay, so she does know that the police are coming.
She doesn't know that we've called.
She doesn't know that we've called now.
And nobody's inside?
No.
Okay.
Is there a door on the back side? It's on the back
That's
side?
the front of the house is in the back.
Okay.
We'll go to the front if you just want to hang back here.
I'll just watch this. You guys hang out there. Make sure you get solid PC. Figure out if it's misdemeanor, felony. And once we get more people here, we'll just work on getting her in custody.
Hands on TL? Does that work?
No, once more people get here, I'm going to rotate out and take over the dog side of it.
Okay, sounds good.
She was destroying the bathroom, so we just kind of sat there for a minute, and we both decided let's just go downstairs together. That's about when we called you guys.
Does she have access to the lock safe where the guns are at?
No. It's a safe lock.
Yes.
It's okay. Yes. So no, she can't.
Okay. Is this a felony?
Not so far.
Oh, wow.
Did you hear a record say something?
No, it's just we're getting SWAT out for this.
Yeah, I think it's just because it's the gun element.
Okay.
I probably wouldn't have done that either.
That's crazy.
So, at any point, did she assault either one of you?
No. She's on something. I don't know what. So I just hit record. She started saying, "You don't love me." She just started screaming all kinds of stuff that didn't even make sense. You could hear the recording. It doesn't make sense.
I remember this place.
I served the order.
Did you?
I was driving here. I was like, man, this looks real familiar for some reason.
Nice area.
On the question of entering the home itself, the Supreme Court held in Brigham City v. Stewart 2006 that warrantless home entry is permissible when officers have an objectively reasonable basis to believe an occupant faces imminent harm or that evidence is actively being destroyed. Both conditions were present and documented here. The entry was constitutionally sound. The taser deployment is governed by Graham v. Connor, 1989. Force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision, not in hindsight. At that moment, officers knew the subject had made explicit verbal threats, had destroyed property, had refused every lawful command for over 5 minutes, and was inside a home containing a locked firearm safe. The deployment was preceded by repeated clear warnings that force would be used satisfying Washington notice requirements. The use of force was objectively reasonable.
Police officers, Lacey, you're under arrest. Come out through the front door.
Do you have her phone number, Woo?
No, that's why I said somebody should try to get her phone number and just call her to tell her to come outside.
That's what they're trying to do
Probably
now.
the first thing that.
Lacey, you're under arrest. Come out or force will be used against you. Police officers, Lacey, you're under arrest. Come out through the front door.
She didn't make any threats to harm you.
Oh, she did.
She did. What did she say?
I think she said, "I'll f*** you up." She called me a. She said,
Okay.
I'll come get you." Bitch. I don't know. It just was so many things.
Besides,
at once that
Besides her saying that she was going to you up, did she explain why, explain how? Did she come at you at all?
No, she was still in the bathroom, just like the door was shut. This door was shut between us as she was yelling this, and I just stayed away.
So she just said that though, like
Yeah.
she didn't come out, she didn't come at you, she didn't display any weapons. Okay.
Lacey, it's the Federal Way Police Department. We know you are inside. You are under arrest. We need you to come out the front of the house with your hands up.
Lacey, you're under arrest. Come out through the front door or force will be used against you.
But hey, real talk, right? So let's try to, hey, you can look at the stuff and not look at me. So look down. There you go. Okay. It's not rude. I won't be offended. Let's try the soft touch of negotiation. So we've given the hard, hey, you're under arrest. We've covered ourselves legally. Let's give a little like, hey, Lacey, we're just trying to get your side of the story. Come out and talk to us. Like, we're just trying to make sure you're safe and that your parents are safe. See if we can schmooze her that way and try some other de-escalation-atory things.
Lacey, we just want to talk.
Like a calming voice.
Yeah.
You have one of those?
Come out. We just want to make sure everyone is safe.
That's as calming gets.
A couple more rounds of PAs, a BP, try the phone call a couple times, a little bit more professional negotiation from the outside. If not, then reach and hold on the front, yell in there a whole bunch more, and then slow and deliberate till we get her.
Probably got a dog.
Yeah, is he good with biting her?
Yep. Oh, there she is. Hey, Lacey! Hey, just open the door so you can hear us. Just so we can talk. I can't hear you. Can you open the door? I can't hear you. Hey, just open the door so I can hear you. Hey, Lacey, just open the door for us so we can hear you. I'm trying to hear you. All right, here she comes. Hey, 303, where is it? Oh, okay. Just slide the door open for me so I can hear you.
We have a clear shot from behind the bushes, so if she steps out, we're going to just tase her, I think.
I think federally cops are what?
You're gonna get tased.
What if my mom's gonna fuck you still?
Go.
She's back in.
No, here. Just back off. She's back inside with the door closed.
I got one.
Okay.
She's sitting, or overtly non-compliant. Officer just going to pounce on her. She starts to retreat further. We're going to send her out. So let's try to clear our way to the stairs. Just going to clear to the stairs.
What about just going in the slider up there? Just coming inside, like on top of the one we got eyes on.
Level 1 upstairs slider, see if that's open, if that might be more direct.
Him standing up now at the front door, pressed against it.
Okay. We're moving.
My mom has to fuck them. I'm sorry, did you hear that? Oh!
Lacey, show your hands or you're going to get bit. Can you get around that side and just go straight on her? Lay down on the ground. Lay down on the ground. Lay down on the ground. There you go. Just stay right there. If you move, you're going to get bit.
One significant point of legal exposure arises from the handcuffing and search phase. At least one officer directed sustained profanity and personal insults at the subject, while she was already restrained in custody. Courts have not uniformly held verbal abuse alone to be a constitutional violation, but under Section 1983 of Title 42 of the United States Code, documented in-custody degradation creates civil liability exposure, particularly when captured on the department's own BodyCam. 3 charges were filed. First, violation of a protection order under RCW 26.50.110, with all elements satisfied a valid order confirmed service and knowing violation by forced entry. Second, criminal damage to property under RCW 9. 8.48.090 supported by witness statements audible. Destruction on arrival and on-scene photographs. Third, resisting arrest under RCW 9, 8.76.040, which in Washington does not require physical violence. Deliberate noncompliance with a lawful custodial directive is sufficient and the record here is clear. Law enforcement receives a B+. The tactical sequencing was sound, hard public address. Commands a deliberate pivot to soft negotiation, then measured force only after all other options were exhausted. Probable cause, development SWAT notification on the firearms. Element, K9 staging and scene documentation were all handled correctly. The grade is limited solely by one officer's verbal conduct during custody, which was captured on BodyCam and creates documented civil exposure for the department. The on-scene supervisor receives an A-. The decision at the 3-minute mark to shift from enforcement tone commands to conversational de-escalation was well-timed and tactically sound. Real-time correction of control gaps during handcuffing reflects active supervisory engagement. The deduction comes from an incomplete response to the subordinate officer's verbal misconduct. Supervisory accountability is not satisfied until the behavior stops, not merely until it is acknowledged. The subject receives a C. Violating a court order, destroying property, issuing verbal threats, and refusing lawful commands for 5 consecutive minutes created this encounter and justify all 3 charges. Partial compliance during the arrest and the absence of any weapon prevents a lower grade. Her conduct gave officers every legal basis they needed.
Wait, can I tell you what I did?
Stand up first.
Stand up.
We're gonna stand you up. 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we go.
I love men.
Front door.
Tammy, you don't know what a real is, little snitch ass little bitch. Yeah, that's right, Tammy. What's up? Why?
Want to stand real quick?
Why?
Oh, don't do that.
Why?
Don't do that.
Why?
I got it. Okay.
Why? Because I like your haircut.
Can I put her in here?
Shut up, fool!
Here we go, right behind you.
Tammy!
Go all the way back here.
Tammy! Come on! I'm sorry I didn't hear you speak.
All right.
Yeah, because you're a dumbass little.
You are okay.
Okay, Daddy.
Tristan, let him do it. Tell her what you're doing. All right, get back your hands.
I'm sorry. My stepdad just told me to act because I'm not rushing. What?
Listen, you need to comply or your shoulders are going to get hurt, okay?
Why?
Tell her what you're doing. We don't want to hurt your shoulders.
I don't like you.
Okay. You need to hold still for the officers, okay, so they can check you.
Okay.
Get this all figured out. So that's a probe.
I don't like you.
I think Austin
You're
said
long.
1 or 2. Hey guys, you gotta keep better control of her than that. You cannot let her walk around like that, okay? We're gonna stay right here, Lacey. You're not gonna move till we finish the search. Don't move. Yep.
Tammy, you dumb.
Lacey, calm down.
I hate you, bro.
Lacey, keep your feet back.
Dumb.
Hey, Lacey.
You don't know what a dumb is, do
Everything's being
you?
recorded, okay, Lacey?
You bitch. I don't like you.
Tommy, you done? Hey, Tommy. Make sure you do this. Okay? I'm not in a hurry.
Tammy!
Take my spot so I can help him.
Gorilla glue.
Okay. Are we good? I think we're good. Okay. That's good.
Tammy! Sorry,
We need
not
to put her
you.
in a car. This car? Yep, that's fine. She double locked, you guys? Yeah, she's double locked. Great. Sit down, please, Lacey. Use your words.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Handcuffs came on.
Okay.
Can you face away from me, Lacey?
Okay.
Okay. Put your hand behind your back, Lacey.
Yes, sir.
Pull her out.
Okay.
Okay, then you gotta pull her out.
Fuck, why are you so sexy?
Come on out, Lacey.
Don't get
All
it.
right. Keep her against the car. Lacey, we have to get you. Lacey, stop.
Okay. Okay.
Lacey,
Stay where you are, okay?
Okay.
You just stand right there, okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Come on, please.
get the other one first. Get that one. Just relax.
I am relaxed. Tell my mom to relax.
Let's get that hand.
Come on.
Lacey, please keep your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Just tighten the other finger.
Okay.
Let's wait got 2 days. That's why she got out.
I like Gorilla Glue.
Let's go.
Okay.
Lacey, put your foot down.
Don't let her out of that car. Lacey, let's stand up. Let me do it. And, oh, turn. Lacey, stop.
Okay.
Maybe
Sorry,
we'll sit down, okay?
Okay, fine. Fuck. Jesus, asshole. Okay.
We're gonna put her in this one.
Oh.
Don't spit, please. Yep.
We're gonna go in this one so we can pull it through.
Hey, Lacey, get in the car. Other side, so you can pull her.
Okay, well let me.
All right,
You
step in the car.
Oh, dude.
One step.
Thank you.
Foot in.
Okay. Let it go. Let it go. I will get in my fucking self, you dumb rookie.
One step in.
Hey, let them. They're just mad. They're just mad, Rogers. Ah!
Stop.
Sorry.
Ready, Austin? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Spit on you.
Hold on, let's photo first.
I got some.
So all these photos that I just took are going to get uploaded into the case, and that way it's all documented that way, okay? And then the lead investigating officer, I'm sure, will be in contact with you guys regarding kind of what's next at this point.
Okay. So as far as right now, did she go to jail or the hospital?
Actually, I'm assuming jail.
Okay.
But I'm not sure because I just got here.
Yeah. Well,
so,
I saw the ambulance, but I never saw her load up. So.
Yeah, I'm assuming jail.
Okay.
Okay. Any questions for me before I go?
No,
all right.
Appreciate it.
All right. I'm sorry this happens. Beautiful home though. Congratulations on retirement. I heard that you recently retired.
Yeah.
The lesson this footage carries is about the final 10%. Officers executed 9/10 of this call, correctly building a legally defensible record from the first minute to the moment of arrest. Then one officer's language in custody changed that record permanently. In any civil proceeding, internal review, or suppression hearing, that audio becomes the exhibit. What an officer says to a restrained subject carries the same evidentiary weight as what an officer does, and BodyCam captures both with equal permanence. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.